So today we're going to look at Canvas Studio. So when you go to your Canvas homepage, you have account, admin, home, subjects, calendar. All the way down here is Studio, where it looks like it has a little play button with some tentacles. Real weird. Got it. Studio. All right, so in Studio, you can record your own screen, or you can record yourself, or you can do both at the same time. You can also upload a video from YouTube or from your computer. So if you want to add in a video from YouTube, you can do that, and then you can edit, you can add questions to it, all the fun things. So here's one I pulled from YouTube. There it goes. Okay, so if I wanted to add in a question, I absolutely could. I could also turn on comments. If I want my students to be able to comment on it. If I want the captions on, I can do that. Make sure that they're in English or whatever language you want. And then, of course, you can edit your details on the video. So that's one I pulled in from YouTube. And then if I want to go back to my library, here's one I recorded myself. Yes, you can judge me. That's completely and totally fine. If you want to create a quiz, so add questions to it, you can. You can annotate the video, edit it, share it, move it. You can put a different picture on it. So like on this one, I put a cardinal in the front, or you can delete it. So if you want to share it, they can view, so you can put in their email address, or you can get the shareable link. Now, again, shareable link, it says public. It says public for a reason, so be careful with that. All right, any other questions about Canvas Studio? Feel free to put in a ticket.